Two major Canadian immigration pathways are closing, and here's what's changing next. There are two important immigration updates you really need to know today, and both of them signal a major shift in how Canada is. One affects home care and childcare workers, and the other impacts entrepreneurs and startup founders planning to move to Canada. Let's break both of these down clearly and simply. Home care worker PR pathways will not reopen in 2026. First, let's talk about the home care worker pathways to permanent residence. Canada has officially confirmed that the home care worker immigration pilot programs will not reopen in 2026. According to new ministerial instructions published in the Canada Gazette, no new applications will be accepted from 31st March 2026 all the way until 30th March 2030. This is a big change because these pilots were originally expected to reopen in spring 2026. These programs, one for childcare workers and one for home support workers, first opened in March 2025 and were meant to run for 1 year. But demand was massive. Both programs hit their application caps within just hours on the very first day. These pilots offered permanent residence to workers with a valid job offer in home or childcare, minimum education requirements, basic language proficiency, required work experience or training. Because the government caps applications, the system worked on a first-come, first-served basis, leaving many eligible workers without a chance to apply. Now, with applications officially closed beyond March 2026, workers planning to apply next year will need to look at alternative pathways, such as provincial programs or other caregiver-related streams, if and when they become available. Canada closes Startup Visa Program, new entrepreneur pilot coming. The second major update impacts entrepreneurs and business immigrants. Canada is officially closing the Startup Visa Program to new applications. IRCC has announced that no new Startup Visa work permit applications will be accepted, except for extensions from applicants already in Canada. New Startup Visa PR applications will stop completely after 31st December. There is only one exception. Applicants who already received a valid commitment certificate from a designated organization in 2025 can still apply, but only until 30th June 2026. At the same time, Canada is also continuing the pause on the Self-Employed Persons Program, which has been closed since April 2024. So why is Canada doing this? The government has clearly stated that these pauses are part of a transition toward a brand new, targeted entrepreneur immigration pilot, which is expected to be announced sometime in 2026. This comes after major criticism of the Startup Visa program in 2025, especially due to extreme processing delays. In some cases, entrepreneurs were facing wait times of nearly 10 years for permanent residence. Canada says these changes will help clear backlogs, modernize business immigration, and better align with its talent attraction strategy under the latest Immigration Levels Plan. Conclusion: if you're affected by either of these changes, this is the right time to reassess your immigration strategy, stay updated, and prepare for what's coming next in 2026. Canada's immigration system is clearly evolving, and knowing these changes early can make all the difference. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.